Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super helpful short video for any of you trying to find where the ABS brake module, also known as BSM, fuses and relays are located on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the ABS brake module, also known as BSM fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them on that generation Jeep Cherokee. Quick advice, guys, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. We need to go ahead and open the hood, and when you do that, guys, facing the engine, here on the right side, this is the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the two tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So which fuses and relays we need to check? We need to come here, guys, and the first thing we need to check is fuse number 14. This is a double fuse known as micro 3-blade fuse. Very important fuse that you will need to check. Next, you need to check fuse number 30. And fuse number 30, guys, we're talking about another double micro 3-blade fuse right here. After that, you need to locate fuse number 53. We're talking about this fuse right here. And next, you need to locate one more, which is specifically known as fuse number 93. This one right here. What about relays? You don't have any relays. The module will be practically doing the relay functions. You need to check just these fuses that are known as relay fuses. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.